Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this exponential equation 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x, or if we divided both sides by 4 to the power x, we can write 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x over 4 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x over 4 to the power x, or 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x is 1 plus 6 to the power x over 4 to the power x can be written as 6 over 4 whole to the power x is equal to, similarly 9 to the power x over 4 to the power x can be written as 9 over 4 whole to the power x, or 1 plus 6 over 4 is 3 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 9 is 3 square and 4 is 2 square, so 9 over 4 is 3 over 2 whole square whole to the power x, or 1 plus 3 over 2 to the power x is equal to, this can be written as 3 over 2 to the power x whole square. Now if we consider 3 over 2 to the power x as m, we can write 1 plus m is equal to m square, where m is equal to 3 over 2 to the power x, or taking this left side to right and writing right side to left, we can write m square minus this m minus this 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. The general solution of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ca over twice a. Now according to this formula, if we compare with it, we will have a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to negative 1. So from our equation, we will have m is equal to negative of b means negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square is negative 1 whole square minus 4 times c is negative 1 times a is 1 over 2 times a is 1, or m is equal to negative of negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 square is positive 1, negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4 times 1 is positive 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, or m is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4 is 5 and this square root over 2. Now if we consider positive, then we will have m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and considering negative we will have m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Or substituting the value of m is equal to 3 over 2 to the power x, we will have 3 over 2 to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Or taking log to both sides, we can write log 3 over 2 to the power x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Or according to law of logarithm, we can write it as x log 3 over 2 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now, if we divided both sides by log 3 over 2, we will have the value of x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided log 3 over 2. This is a solution of this equation. The approximate value of x is 1.1868, and from here we have m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, or substituting the value of m is equal to 3 over 2 to the power x, we can write 3 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Here the power of a positive number is always positive, so left side is always positive, but square root of 5 is greater than 1, so 1 minus square root of 5 is negative, and 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 is also negative, so right side is negative, so this cannot be equal for a real number, so there is no real solution, so it will be rejected. So the only real solution of this equation is log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided by log 3 over 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.